The 4K Omni's parking mode continues to provide protection for your car when you are not around in your parking. I especially love its AI detection motion feature. AI Motion Detection 2.0, and this is where the rotation design supports makes a huge difference. The dash cam can detect human beings in front of the car and follow them as they move around. Motion detection alerts you to any suspicious activity around your parked car, sending you notification right to your phone. Also, the high quality footage captured in park mode serves as valuable evidence in case of theft or other incidents. But if you need a parking surveillance with the motion detection, then you need to buy a hardware kit, and you can find the buying links in the video description. Let me share my experience how to install hardware kit with the 4K Omni. So let's jump into it.
ये देखो पूरा मैंने पूरा ढंग से रखा हुआ है। हाँ हाँ मेरे बोर्ड के अंदर है बहुत सारी चीजें ये ना
The 70mm dash cam 4K may come at the higher price point, but its significant features that fully justify the cost. You are not just getting 4K HD clarity, you are also getting enhanced night vision and motion detection features with the 4G remote access. These advanced features make it a premium product for the serious drivers who are looking for durability and peace of mind on the road. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. Also, if you're looking for car screen which can play YouTube and TikTok videos, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.